Let's say that you're a clarinet player. Woodwind uses reed, and reeds, well, they're not the same as brass instruments. So if you were trying to make a mouthpiece for something that used a reed, well, you can't just make it completely round. You need to have a flat side. Create your sketch. Then we finish the sketch. We extrude it. For this one, you can actually just draw a line. You don't even need to draw the triangle. So just draw a line like this. So you've finished that sketch. And now we can modify this to split the body. So this is the body I want to split with that line. Now I can actually take that and hide it. And then I can shell that. And of course, take that one and just push that through.